Well, hello there, YouTube. It's been a while since I've done a work vlog with you guys. This is a K1600 GT, the Grand Tour. But that's not really what I want to talk about. There's Kawasaki Vulcan S, an older F700 GS, and this. Holy crap. This is the new Indian FTR1200S. We had a 1200R this morning, but our Indian tech took it for the initial ride, and the customer was here to take it. These are all pre-sold, so I can't do any kind of extensive rides or fun rides. No hooliganing around or nothing like that. Well, let's quit looking at it. Let's take it for a ride. She's already been run and warmed up upstairs. I just came down to grab my helmet. Look at that. So, unfortunately, this is going to be what I refer to on the daily vlog side as my my parking lot test rides. Look at this, the quick change between different clusters. That one looks kind of interesting. It's in standard mode, and you got all kinds of cool mapping modes in this thing. Maybe we'll talk about that here in a little bit. It's got rain standard and sport, and then below that there is a race mode. Wow, I almost can't get out of here. That's it. Nope. Had to put my foot down, lost my balance. Son of a gun. Oh man, it feels just incredible to sit on. It's nice and tall. Alright, I can see around the corner. I'm good. My very first ride on an FTR. Oh no, I immediately get caught by a bus. It can't be. Oh no, I was riding through here yesterday, and the bus stops at a RV park down here. So it must be one of those live-in parks. So we'll just do a quick, let's just go down here and we'll talk about it here for just a moment. I'm not the one trained and all spiffy on these things, so there's a nice shade tree right there. So if I misquote something, you'll have to forgive me, because I haven't studied everything there is to know about these things. But one of the cool things is the you got rain, standard, sport. So you go to sport. Oh, and this thing is literally just like your cell phone. Really, really nice. Then you got track mode. Tractor control and ABS is on, and you can turn that off. Are you sure you want to disable anti-lock braking system? She's off. She is full hooligan bike right now. That is track mode. Touch that again and it turns it off. We'll just leave it in standard mode. This is a pre-sold motorcycle, so, and we'll do a walk around here somewhere else. That clutch, you can tell this is a crazy aggressive clutch. It's probably like the BMWs. It's what they refer to as a gripper slipper. Not only is it a slipper clutch to prevent wheel hop on sudden deceleration, but it'll actually grab on acceleration. So it's the ramps are literally working in reverse. So you grab a big snootful and it just bites. It just feels like I'm riding a dirt bike. That's the craziest feeling. I feel like I'm riding a super motard. Almighty, this thing's so freaking cool. You just almost want to giggle like a kid. Let's do a quick little walk around. We gotta do a walk around. And let's where's that side stand? Let's shut her off while we're doing that. I don't want to just let a new engine sit here and idle. Look at this thing. Holy crap, that thing is cool. That's literally the coolest motorcycle ever. That thing just looks angry sitting there. You guys want a little closer look? Let's zero in on it here a little bit. Alright, let's get a little better look here. A BMW style. If you guys, a lot of people freak out that that's open, but this has been, I mean, BMW's been doing this for years and years and years. Their patent was ran out because now everybody's using it. That is the point, that the BS from your tire flings off. You'll just get maybe speckles underneath there. So that tire being open is not hurting a single thing. God, is that thing beautiful. Now the R-Spec comes with a Kropovich exhaust on it. But look at these forks, man. That looks like something straight off of a BMW. Radial mounted Brembo brakes. Flat track style tires. These are Dunlops on here. Looks like Daymaker style headlights. Brembo master cylinder. Pro taper bars. You're sitting on the gas tank. You fill it here and it immediately goes into the tank area. This is the air box on this thing. Here's all your controls. And look at this. On one of these, a cruise control. Go figure. USB port for charging your silly cell phone. Surely these Toyota guys got to be thinking, what is this guy's deal? Let's get you a close-up of the motor. Look how cool that thing looks. Your battery and regulator rectifier are down low, putting the weight up front and low. That thing is 10 shades of messed up cool. Man, that is so cool looking. I think I'll probably say cool about 100 times before I'm done here. If you guys know me, you're probably used to it. That's so cool. I think it just cancels out by itself, but anyway, let's go finish our parking lot test ride. Man, you talking about one you don't want to bring back to the shop? This is one of them. Oh man, you know, I could want one of these things all I want, but we have so many of these things pre-sold. It'd be a month of Sundays before I ever ended up with one. So our Indian tech, he had a little accident at home and cut his hand. Oh, his thumb, I guess. Brutal cut. So we rode the R-Spec one and it hurt his hand. So he says, he goes, "Smoke, you're gonna have to ride the S model." He goes, "That hurts my hand riding." He said, "It hasn't healed up enough." And I'm like, oh dude, don't break my heart like that. Wow, that's a little hot with the shield down. Whew. I don't know what the temperature is out here. 77 the bike says. Why does that seem so hot? it's one little tiny spot right here. I go really slow. I don't want so much as a speck kicking off of the tire onto this thing. Man, you can just tell this thing would just be a hoot. Could you imagine sport mode and just being on it? And then track mode and wheelie mitigation and all that stuff gets turned off. Oh man. We'll just do a light little roll on here. Holy moly. Holy crap. And that's in standard mode. Oh, this thing has got to be just crazy fast. Wow, I'm just like barely on it. Oh man, that's so cool. Anybody that's in the motorcycles, they see one of these things going down the road and they're just gonna literally come unhinged. They're gonna wreck cars when they see these things. This has been so long in the coming, but I appreciate that Indian just held out to the last moment, making sure everything is perfect. And I'm sure that's exactly what it is. Perfect in every way. Well, he doesn't have a key tag on there, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it up front to the Indian side. Kelly. This is the coolest motorcycle ever. Man.
Don't fall in love with it never.
Oh, it's too late for that. But there's just certain things you just can't have. And that's one of these for a while. Well, they all get a quick test ride. I just missed out on the quick test ride.
That's mine.
Oh yeah. Yep, I was just saying I missed out on the cool test ride. Brian comes back and he goes, my thumb, he goes, you're gonna have to ride the other one. And I'm going, twist my arm. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
You got the cool one for sure.
I'm trying to get the pegs on now, the new pegs. Everybody's complained about those. I got them on the internet.
Uh-huh.
They say they're kind of slippy, so.
Yeah, they do feel a little slippery.
Yeah.
So you've already got a set of pegs, huh?
Yeah, your guys' pegs. You're putting them on now. Those and the luggage rack on it.
Oh, I didn't know we already had all that cool stuff.
I don't know what parts you got. You got some parts.
That's cool. That's awesome. Well, that little ride got cut short, but that's perfectly fine. Got to meet the guy that got the first one. I'm not sure where I'm gonna get through here. Ooh, gonna be tight. It's actually been easier to ride it through here. Oh yeah. I'll give you one last little walk around here. There's the, oh, they do have pegs. Heck yeah, they're kitting that thing out right away. Oh man. Oh mama. And there's the R model. Comes with the Krapovich exhaust. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, buddy, look at them.
Spring, we're having trouble keeping spring in place.
Oh, them things can fight you. There's nothing worse than foot peg springs.
That's what other people do.
They probably make it look easy, don't they? That's usually the way when you watch somebody else do it. Oh. Cool. Thank you guys for coming along for the rip.